The Rack Shop is proud to present this Toyota 4Runner with factory installed crossbars, and we've just installed the Yakima OffGrid cargo basket, and happens to be the large size. So you can see it actually fits the roof really well, fills up the roof line, and attaches perfectly to the to the factory crossbars. So the basket is roughly 53 inches long by 49 inches wide. You can see without the extension, it fits perfectly. It clears the antenna, clears the sunroof, and fits those low profile factory crossbars. But for more details, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. That'll take you to the product. And there you can see the full details, weight specifications, and everything involved. We also have another video if you need help in the assembly process. Click on the link in the description, or maybe we could tag it here, and you can check that out. So like always, thanks for watching.